What?
This is the quad buster.
Kevin got the ricochet, baseball glove, Game Gear carrying case. What else did you get, Kev?
Challenger. I got inner tube, and I got
The
a
snow.
Power Ranger, and I got the tennis balls.
Didn't you get any Sega tapes?
Yeah, and I got boxing, and I got World Series baseball.
Very good.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride with a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells,
Jingle bells.
jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride with a one-horse open sleigh. Hey,
Dashing.
dashing through the snow with a one-horse open sleigh. All the fields we go, laughing all the way. All the
Bells on bobtails ring.
making spirits bright.
What
When
fun.
it is to ride a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun is to ride when one horse open sleigh. Hey! Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. If you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeers laughed and called him names.
They
For-
never.
To let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. One foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? So all of those loved him, shout out quickly. All of the red-nosed reindeer will go down in history.
Very good.
You have to keep smiling at the camera when you're ripping paper.
Yeah, look up. Don't look down. Look up. Don't look down.
What is it?
M.P.G.M. They want it.
Hold it in front of your chest, Kev.
There you go.
See?
See?
I knew you won. I know what you wanted.
M.P.G.M. is for Game Gear.
I don't know what that is. Mike, don't even
For
bother. You
this
don't know.
case.
Oh, it's for that.
Yeah. I got this one, Sam.
This year you got this from Santa Claus?
Yeah.
What'd you get? Mickey Mouse wristwatch?
Oh,
Oh boy.
What is it, Dave?
a watch.
What kind?
What kind of watch
Digital.
is it? A digital watch?
All right.
It's waterproof.
Does it illuminate?
Waterproofy nose.
Does it light up?
I don't know. Yeah, right.
Know what it is.
7 after 4.
I can't tell.
Don't.
Shake it. Oh, it's beautiful. It's a lava lamp.
Whoa!
Oh my God. Look at that.
Oh boy.
Lava lamp. Is it this big?
Yep.
Oh, let's look at it.
Let's
This
plug
is
it in
great.
and
We
we'll
can
watch
put
it
it up to the
online.
children.
See, it comes down along.
It looks like a bottle of soda. See, it has a cap on it.
Plug it in by that table.
Yeah, let's plug it in.
Or hey,
Wait,
put it
here's
on the
here's the
TV.
instructions. You have to take this apart. It's beautiful. Just
That's
try
what Mother
it.
Sleep, Joe.
It's better than a fish tank.
No.
Oh, what's this thing for? Oh, this goes on the top, I guess. Like
Over the
this.
black one.
I think we can do that.
Maybe
Actually.
we'll
Uncle Joe knows
No,
more
he's
about
That
that.
goes up there. That's the top.
He's talking
Wait till he's done. Wait till he's done.
And that
Let's plug it in.
Well, it plugs.
Oh, I see. And who wrapped this? Oh, I thought maybe you wrapped it or you wrapped it.
Do you
No?
wrap anything, Dave? You're not a good rapper?
Don't mind the wrap job. Your bow fell off.
This is great.
Here's what I'll do. Watch.
Is it working, Jim?
Well, it has to heat up a little bit yet.
You have to heat them.
And see, yeah, then the bubbles will
Then the
start.
bubble all the way up.
Wow, what
It'll
is
start
this?
making like globules.
What? This looks like the lid of something, or the, no wait,
That's the base.
oh, is it?
Which one is this? This is the original? They all have names. It has Spencer Dips on it. Matthew Lamb. Doesn't say what the model is.
Oh, isn't that pretty?
My mom gave that to my teacher.
What is
Isn't
it?
that pretty? Now, I don't know.
Like
It's a
that,
votive
like that.
lamp. or something.
Yep, it's a votive lamp.
Oh, yeah? Isn't that
that.
pretty? Oh,
Does it have a scent?
and it smells
What flavor?
like cinnamon.
Oh, yeah.
We're not caring about the papers.
Here's the
Okay,
bag.
doesn't matter.
Oh, thank you, Uncle Joe. I wonder what it is.
Go ahead. That's yours, I guess.
Yeah. Whoa. Here.
The
Oh,
game.
some walkie-talkies.
Wow.
I think here's the energizers that go with it.
That's why I saw those energizers right.
Well, see, he knew something went with the rug thing.
Now could I
Yep.
open your... Whoa! Walkie.
Boy, Christmas is good to you guys.
Boy, I'm telling you.
Heavens, all the stuff.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
That.
For kids.
Can't tell me.
Here you go,
Don't
Dave.
tell me.
Don't tell them. You
All
want
right, something for your contraption in your case.
Yeah.
You can put the batteries in.
Hard wrapping.
Joe, how did you wrap it?
Yeah, just rip it.
A puzzle.
Oh, wow.
A model. A game.
Yay.
What is?
Checker.
Wow.
Gargoyle checkers.
Is that checkered?
Checkers with gargoyles.
Gargoyle. Did I go in there?
We
Not
probably
too
the
loud.
messages
Let me see that,
with,
kid. Let me see one of the gargoyles.
Anybody want to see a gargoyle?
Over.
Oh my god. Are they
Anybody else want to see a
Let me see a yellow gargoyle.
2157.
They're gargoyles.
Over and out.
You put them, they're up on
do
like,
you hear
Here
him?
you go. Look.
could you hear it, David?
Yeah. Yeah.
Here you
Your
go.
favorite.
Make sure you check it.
Oh, that's red. Joe, did you wrap
Yeah, I
that?
wrapped that, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Paper.
Let's put that in.
Oh, that's paper.
Oh, I like
It's a
this.
puppy. Listen, there's a puppy in there. Hear him barking?
I know what it is. See, be quiet.
Oh, just what I
Pull
wanted.
Grandma to bite us.
Good job.
What
Thanks.
is that?
Spotlight.
Spotlight when it goes off the
Pull
wood.
Grandma to bite us.
Oh, use it anytime.
Maid? A maid?
No, I think it'll be more
Is there a
work.
maid in
actually.
here?
Here's
Or
your
a
maid.
cook?
Ever see that commercial? She makes her own cappuccino. And the woman said, I'll help you wash dishes. No, I have a dishwasher too. She's
Oh, it's
motioning
ripping
the
apart.
husband.
It's
What?
something. Daisy pick a pocket. What? Oh, it's a grill.
It's a sandwich maker and a waffle iron.
Oh, that's
Waffle iron, what a good thing.
Waffle iron and a
My waffle
grill.
kid.
We have one too, you'll love it. Wait till you've tried the toasted cheese sandwiches in it.
Toasted cheese.
There's a
These
lot
nice
of things that make,
sandwiches.
yeah, anything. You can put anything in it. And you make it from regular white bread.
We had waffles yesterday.
And you can put, Mom, you can put like, carrots and stuff in it.
Joel has to show.
Cheese.
Put 2 slices of bread.
Oh, and
And
it
you
seals
put
it up.
It seals it up in
You
the
know, a long
pocket.
time, yeah, but a long time ago, they used to have that, and it was on
Just watch it.
2
handles and you opened it up
Oh,
and
yeah,
it was
yeah.
a circle and you put one piece of red there.
That's
Put
the
whatever
same
you want.
thing.
We had so much fun with that. didn't
Yeah,
we?
you
know
could
that?
put a lot of
It's like
stuff
it's
in
a
it.
grill,
What
it's a
happened to it?
baker.
I don't know.
Yeah, you could even make brownies in it.
Grilled. You could make your own.
Yeah, oh, they're great.
Grilled.
I love
Look at all the things.
We
it
make good
makes. Yeah, I know. That's neat.
toasted cheese, we make.
And then we used to cut the edges.
Joe will have to
Kevin, do
show
you
you.
want to open this final gift?
Right.
This one's for both of you.
What's in that little thing?
It's a surprise.
heck.
Did Daddy fix your watch for you?
Dave, can you move, Dave?
Dave, slide over, sweetheart.
It's for both of you.
Sit down, kneel down, Dave.
Everybody wants to know what's in that little bitty thing.
Hurry, hurry.
Kev.
Kev, you're opening it too slow.
Everybody's
Oh! It's a calculator.
It's a calculator so you guys can do your homework and learn your times tables.
Alright.
Keep it inside the package though, you don't have to open the package.
Yeah.
It'll keep it fresher and cleaner. Just remember to push the off button when you're done.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You could do your
You
homework.
got it from
next
Diamond
week.
Home Health?
Yeah.
They're getting too smart, aren't they?
I hate when they wrap them so nice.
Well, I did that on purpose. Oh,
Yeah,
no,
that's
I
it.
love this.
You can have it if you want.
Grandma,
Yeah,
where's
you can
the
keep it.
bag? Where's the bag?
This one is thrown away.
The bag with the present
I
that
love
was
this
fun.
paper.
It's nice. I used it from somebody else gave me a gift for that.
All
Yeah.
the presents.
You could reuse it.
Yeah.
A big paper bag?
Yeah.
And it has a nice bow on it. The bow is nice.
Oh, with presents in it. Where's the,
I don't know.
I'm gonna put this in on the ledge right here, right around the corner, past the refrigerator.
There's the bag.
Oh,
Let me try it, Kev. Dave.
Mr. Bean gave it.
Okay, wait till Grandma's done.
what's what?
Kev, wait till Grandma's done.
That's no, you don't. That
Come
one.
here,
This
Kevin.
is
Let me
not
see. I have to see
I
who's
repeat,
who.
this is not a test. All personnel.
It's
Too
my
close to
present.
the.
Stay behind the yellow line.
Too
Oh,
close.
I'm too close to the
Yeah,
thing.
you gotta go. Hello, 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 hello.
Spaghetti!
Attention, David.
Is that it?
Can you hear me?
Yay!
Yes,
Pink
Master.
spaghetti!
It's not
Please
spaghetti.
remain
There's-
behind the
there's
yellow
green,
line.
Red and green.
I don't see no yellow.
Oh, look at
This
Look at all them
What is
spaghetti.
This one is
Green
yours.
That's beautiful. Hold those.
Oh.
You could keep
Wow,
these
they're beautiful.
Okay, one at a time so I can get
Kevin,
it.
You know, they'll be real
Put that unit with the other
when
one.
you cook them. Oh, you can make them there.
They're nice. They're nice.
You have to press the thing and it'll have it on the side.
Carrots. No, food color.
Regular food coloring. Who are these from?
Barbara and Antiana.
I hope
How do
you
you
have
shut
the
this
right one
off?
because I took the tag off it. Go ahead, I think you're right. I'll tell you.
Just don't throw no gifts away in that bag.
Gifts will go out with the paper.
It's the garbage.
Oh, cool. Heart.
Oh, yeah. that's-
Way.
That's neat. That's pewter, isn't it? Is that pewter?
Yeah,
Let's see, Dave, hold it up.
That's gorgeous.
Oh, is that nice?
that's done and I thought, oh, I have to get that one for David.
Yeah. He just started hunting.
Last year.
Well, still, that's good.
Every year you
Look
get.
at this.
What did he get?
I forgot, Kevin, what yours
Watch it's
is.
wrapped, Kev. Okay.
What did the throw?
Whoa, the guy sitting down.
No, I think he fell on the ice.
Oh, dude.
It's all wrapped in
It's
the
a
wrap.
funny one.
I think he fell on the ice.
Yeah, he did.
Look at
Well, the date is January 8th, 1996, and you are seeing the blizzard of 1996 right now. This is just to let you know how he made it through. Yes, that's Dave right there. As you can see, the snow is almost as high as he is. Unbelievable. People are just buried in this. There's Dave waving to you. The snow is just so high. Our cars are buried. There's my car. You can barely see it. There's our neighbor Scott. There's Alice in the window, Dave's shoveling. Wave, Alice, wave, Alice. She's not waving. She's just checking things out. Wait, I gotta back the camera so you can't even see how high the snow is. There it is. This is how high the snow is. Look at the snow. Could barely even get out this morning. We are under a state of emergency right now. As you can see, there's no traveling on the roads. Look at the snow's up to the middle of the tires. Everyone's just buried. This is the back of my car you're looking at. You can't really see it, but it's there. This is all the cars. They're just all buried.
So much for the dusting to 1 inch, you know?
Yeah. They called this wrong. There's my car. You can see the mirror sticking out. That's about it. Totally buried. This is Spook, our neighbor's dog. Isn't she beautiful? What do you think, Spook?
I wish the plow would come by already.
You could see the damage. I mean, not damage, but you could see how these cars are just unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Hey, there's Diane taking a picture. Hi, Mom. I love you.
Having fun?
You should see the inside.
Igloo the kids have made. There's the hole to the igloo. And I can't even fit the whole igloo in the picture. It's so big. And that's Kevin. Kevin's working hard on it. And there's Matt.
Hey, good.
There's David. Dave, look at me. David.
Take, Joe.
This is the igloo. Come on, you're on candid camera here. David and Joe, and who's the other one? Stick your head in, Bob. Get your picture taken. All right.
Move in.
As close as I can get. I got a zoom lens. I can see you guys real good. I want to show how big the igloo is. Can't even get it in the whole picture. It's cool though. There's Jonathan.
Hey, it's snowing.
Matt, don't do that.
No,
Well, my feet are starting to get cold, so I'm going back in.
were you over, Michelle?
No, I'm just taking pictures so we can remember this blizzard of '96. I don't know if you can imagine how deep this snow is, but I just walked through it and we got about over a foot. Definitely over a foot. It's almost up to my knees, actually. Well, here I go trudging through it again. Not really the main street. This is East Thomas Street. You can see the ruts. The plows didn't even come through yet. See if I can get a close-up of it. Polanowski's. And this is our church. This is a live report from 173 St. Clair Street, the blizzard of '96. Our continuing coverage of the blizzard of '96. Listen to that wind howling. Hello, dear. Hi, hon. Where's Kevin? Kevin back there?
The Eskimos are in there.
Oh, they're in here?
They're making their home.
Wait. I'll probably fall.
The little Eskimos. Smile for the camera.
Cheese! Our second igloo. We're gonna make a third one for our sausage.
And this is a live report.
Shave the roof with your hand. Or don't get it off.
I can feel it. Look how nice this is good for us.
Yes, the kids love the blizzard of '96.
Okay, boys. Let the plow come in there.
Boom! There's y'all. There's all of our stuff.
Here again are the conditions on St. Clair Street. I actually can't barely see over the snow plows. That's how high they are. They're about as high as me. And here comes our neighbor, Mr. Walsh. He's playing his banjo.
Where the people are being placed for safe housing.
We had 2 shelters operating for most of the day. We just closed the last one where we put...
The last thing you've seen here was the blizzard of 1996. Now I'm taping from Eyewitness News live the floods of 1996.
What are the some of the hazards your crews are facing? You know, again, we're talking about the Poconos, the mountainous terrain.
Yeah, the main problems right now, of course, is traffic control. Because we have a fairly large area that's shut off, so there's quite a few of our volunteer personnel, fire police and firemen who are involved in trying to keep the area secure, make sure no one gets in for the, and is able to do anything with the homes that have been evacuated. Of course, keep people out of danger's way.
And what's the final word you want to get out to the residents?
Residents in the county right now, we have any of them to please stay away from the Shawnee area. Traffic is heavy enough. There's nothing to see. You can't get close enough to even sightsee the river.
Okay, Harry Robidoux, we thank you for joining us, and we will be speaking with you later on, I would imagine. Right, Harry?
I would imagine.
Okay, hang in there.
Thank you.
All right, we'll see you.
Bye.
Okay, we just did get a plea into the newsroom from the SPCA of Luzerne County. They need water, they need newspaper, and they need hair dryers. I asked why they need the hair dryers. They say apparently a lot of animals are being rescued from the rushing waters, and they're bringing them into the shelters, so they're using the hair dryers to dry the animals off.
We saw in Lauren Perkins' story there, our own Keith Martin on active duty, rescuing one of the dogs there. They do, from what we've seen, look cold and damp, and that's the Luzerne County SPCA in Lackawanna County, the Humane Society. That's where you can take your pets. Again, the Red Cross shelter's not allowing pets for obvious health reasons. And we also have an important...
Let me just add, they also need large trash bags and dog food, and they're located on Fox Hill Road in Plains Township.
Right.
Get those in there.
Okay, and also, I want to point out that in Montoursville, state police are receiving reports of people driving at a high rate of speed through the high waters, trying to get back to their homes. Don't do it, folks. The police don't want you doing it. It's very dangerous, and don't rush it. Let the nature take its course, let the water subside, recede, whatever it must do, and then you can get home. Your valuables will be there. We heard also from the emergency officials that looting will not be tolerated, that the police forces are out in full force, so do not rush it. heading home.
Well, if you've been with us throughout the morning and the afternoon, the news is good. The river is coming down, and it is slowing down its pace. We're going to go to Kathy Basinski, who has been stationed throughout the afternoon at the Emergency Management Center. Kathy, what's the new word from there?
Well, Dia and Pete, we are on a roll, and it is a positive roll. The river fell again in the last half hour. We are now at 34.24. That's a 2-hour downward trend. It means the river levels are definitely on their way down, and we may have a hint at resolution within the next 45 minutes or so. Emergency Management Director Jim Syracuse has said that he will hold a news conference within the next 45 minutes or so, and that will deal with obviously the situation concerning the river, and it will also deal with the evacuation, whether or not on a limited basis people may be able to come back into some areas, thus indicating that the danger has passed. So we're looking forward to that. That should happen sometime after 5 o'clock, between 5 and 5:30, I would imagine. Also, at about 5 o'clock, I've just been told that U.S. Senator Arlen Specter is about to arrive. Should be here about 5 o'clock. We will be talking to him to see his assessment of what he has viewed here, and also to talk about federal assistance to the county and specifically to people who have suffered property damage by this latest flooding incident. But once again, on a very good trend. For 2 hours straight now, the Susquehanna River has been on its way down, currently standing at 34.24 feet, and we trust that will continue. Emergency management officials definitely breathing a bit of a sigh of relief right now, and some direction and determination is probably going to be made within the next 45 minutes as to when we can sound the all clear on this flood emergency.
Okay, Kathy, we'll come right back to you whenever that information is made available. I guess these experts do know what they're talking about. They predicted that the river would crest at 35 feet and just under that.
Okay, we'll be right back with the latest information right after this.
Off the dike. They feel very strongly, very confident with their dike system, considering this is the first time it's been this high in the dike system in over 20 years. They're very happy with the performance of the dike system, and they're saying all systems are go. But again, this is something that we will be monitoring for another 3 or 4 days yet before the water gets down.
Jim, I think I can hear a collective sigh of relief all across the Wyoming Valley, and our thanks to you and your staff for getting us through this.
Thank you, Ted. Thank you for your assistance.
Okay, thank you very much. There you hear it. There's the word. Jim Syracuse at 5 o'clock in about, 13 minutes or so. All those folks evacuated from the Wyoming Valley areas, Wilkes-Barre, Hanover Township, Nanticoke, Pittston, all up and down the river, can return home. Now, once again, Jim says to do this in a very leisurely, orderly manner, and once you get home, stay home. We want people off the streets tonight. There will be people doing certain jobs along the dike areas that we shouldn't interfere with. So please stay home, make sure that everything's fine and safe at home, and just stay there, and we've gotten through this one, guys.
I tell you what, we've been waiting for this for a long time. I can't help but think when Carol McKenzie broke the news of the evacuation on our 11 o'clock newscast last night, a matter of 24 inches. What was how intensive was this? You were there, Kathy. You know, this past hour, I guess. We saw a lot of smiles, but a lot of apprehension too, I guess.
Oh yeah, definitely apprehension. I mean, nobody was going to make the critical decision to allow the evacuees back home until they were absolutely certain that there was going to be no dangers. And I think, as Jim pointed out, the key to this was the latest assessment by the Army Corps of Engineers. They were concerned all day long about bubbles, boils in the levee system breaking. They checked those things out time and time again, made sure that they were all secure, and that was the last hitch. Within the past hour, that check was made by the Corps, and they decided that the dikes had performed very, very well throughout the Wyoming Valley. There were no problems. Water's continuing to fall, and there will be no problems. And so that's when the decision was made, just within the past few minutes, to say, hey, this is it. They're going to be keeping an eye, obviously, on the river and on the dike system all night tonight. But all is clear. Fortunately, all is well. And everybody's really happy just to head back home. And the mood is definitely lightened here. Everybody's, as I said before, relieved.
Okay, thanks, Kathy. Thousands of people will be returning to their homes after some of the worst flooding that they've seen in 20 years. And to recap, the integrity of the dikes looks like they are holding, they are sturdy, so they are confident they'll be able to keep that water back again. But keep people, once you do go home, to stay off the roads. One thing to say is that water, where it's flowing right now is about 7 miles per hour, so that could do a lot of damage. So,
But finally, we got the news we've been waiting for, and coming just before 5 o'clock. And I think what kept us going was knowing that the weather was in our favor. Vince, what do you pick it up from here?
If we played that big of a role, but I thank you. That's very flattering to think that perhaps we did. Situation is that we have really no weather that's going to give us any major problems here. And in light of all the good news, I'd like to suspect that there'll be some celebrating tonight, but I would be more likely to suspect that people are dead, tired, and there'll be a lot of early retirements this evening to bed and long hours of sleep and well-deserved. So for everybody, EMA especially, a lot of folks here, and I think more especially the people that got chased away from their homes. Folks in Scranton, as you know, aren't that lucky. A lot of them cannot get back into their homes despite receiving water because utilities have become
flooding.
I couldn't really say how long. There's some people that ain't gonna be back for a long time because their house is about 4 foot under, 5 foot under. Some people will be back hopefully within a day or two.